When a narcissist wants you again, it's rarely about love or regret. It's about need, control, and the echo of what you once gave them. Long after the silence has settled and the damage has been done, they begin to feel the void your absence left behind. But by the time they realize what they lost, it's too late. They don't know how to rebuild what they themselves destroyed. Narcissists are notorious for ruining genuine connections. They twist truth, manipulate emotions, and turn peace into confusion. In the beginning, they may have mirrored your best qualities, made you feel deeply connected, and pulled you into a relationship that felt meaningful. But once they had what they wanted, their true nature emerged, often cold, dismissive, and abusive. Eventually, the relationship collapsed under the weight of their lies, betrayals, and emotional damage. After you walk away or they discard you, narcissists often find themselves unfulfilled with their new reality. The people they turn to after you don't bring the same warmth, empathy, or understanding. They begin to miss your energy, not because they value you as a person, but because they crave the comfort and supply you once gave them. Still, they don't know how to return in a way that reflects genuine change or remorse. They may watch you from afar, stalk your social media, or attempt to re-enter your life through subtle messages or unexpected appearances. These behaviors aren't signs of growth, they're strategies. Narcissists often hoover their former partners, trying to suck them back into the same cycle. But what they don't realize is that you've changed. You're not the same person they once controlled. You've learned, healed, and built emotional walls to protect your peace. Their attempts to reconnect often lack true accountability. Apologies, if they come, feel shallow or manipulative. They struggle to express real remorse because it would require them to acknowledge their flaws, something their ego can't tolerate. Instead, they test your boundaries, hoping to find cracks in your healing. But by now, you've seen through the illusion. You recognize the emotional roller coaster for what it was. You've gained clarity, strength, and self-respect. The bridge they burned isn't something you're willing to rebuild. Not out of anger, but out of wisdom. Your boundaries are no longer negotiable, and the love you once freely gave is now protected. Meanwhile, the narcissist remains stuck in their cycle, repeating patterns, seeking validation, and avoiding real introspection. They often wonder if things could be the same again, but deep down, they know the answer. They want the old version of you, the one who gave without limits. But that version no longer exists. You've grown beyond them, and now your peace means more than their empty promises. In the end, the narcissist may reach out, try to charm you again, or pretend to be changed. But what's broken isn't just the relationship. It's the trust, the safety, and the respect that once held it together. You've walked away for good reason, and no amount of longing from their side can undo the lessons you've learned. They want you again, but they can never rebuild what they chose to destroy.